I have a problem in my shower where after I replaced the cartridge, the cold and hot positions were switched, and I still have my cold water coming in on the right and my hot water coming in on the left for the supply lines. And so what caused it is the position of the cartridge. This is a Delta R10000. And so if you look at this thing, you can plug it in either way. It will go in completely, it will seal fine, but if you flip this cartridge upside down, you will get hot water when it's in the cold position and cold water when it's in the hot position. So to fix it, you have to disassemble the entire thing, take the faceplate off, all that stuff. And then if you look at this thing, there is on one of the sides an H. And so your hot water being on the left side needs to be like that. So that's how you fix this. It took me a little bit to figure this one out, but it should just go in again. H for hot, goes in, and then there's the little arrows on the side. On either side, it's exactly opposite of each other, but this guy just seats in like that. And now we put our ring back on and reassemble our trim faceplate stuff. So we're gonna get to that, but I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and be well.